Welcome to my channel guys. In this video I will tell you how to fix Capcut app not loading problem. So please watch the full videos. Let's get started. First of all, long press on Capcut app, then tap on app info. After that, tap on storage usage and then tap on clear cache, and after that clear data, and then OK. Now cache and data has been cleared, so close app and go to Play Store. You are using iOS or iPad, and then tap on search option in the bottom. Now tap on search bar on the top, and here type Capcut and then search it. Now simply tap on this update button to update this app to the latest version. This will fix the issue for you. So hope this video will help you. Thanks.